Remember 2 years ago? You were all over everyone, declaring LastPass dead. You smugly jumped ship to Bitwarden, the shiny open source hero. And now? Your super secure digital castle just got raided. Again. They're saying your vault is fine. All your private passwords are safe. But if you're a developer, and you ran npm install Bitwarden CLI between 5:57 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. ET on April 22, 2026, you just lost the keys to the kingdom. 93 minutes. That's the entire window. A malicious version of the Bitwarden CLI, specifically 2026. 4. Got pushed to npm during that time. This wasn't some random script kiddie messing around. This was TeamPCP. They didn't just hack Bitwarden, they compromised its own CI/CD pipeline. They published a poison package, signed with Bitwarden's own credentials, making it look legit. They weaponized npm trusted publishing, a feature meant to secure the process. Instead of breaking down the door, they walked in with the master key. And what did they grab? Not your vacation photos, your GitHub tokens, your npm tokens, your SSH private keys. Everything you need to access everything you own, everything you built. Your NV files, packed with database passwords, Stripe secrets, OpenAI keys. Your entire shell history, every command logged, your AWS credentials, your cloud auth. All of it just uploaded to a public GitHub repository. OX Security confirmed it. They saw real user data being exfiltrated. This wasn't potential exposure or possible impact. Your secrets are out there. For real. This is wave 3 of the Shai-Hulud campaign. A malware worm, named after that giant sandworm from Dune that eats everything. And this thing lives up to the name. Previous victims? Trivi, checkmarks, Light LM. All hit using the same command and control infrastructure, the same credential harvesting technique. TeamPCP sticks to its playbook. Inside the malware, they left a message. Shai-Hulud. The third coming. A taunt, sure. But also a promise. They're not just passing through. And for a little geopolitical flair, the malware had a Russian locale kill switch. If you ran it on a Russian configured system, it just stopped. No explanation. Maybe a message to the West? Bitwarden's official word. No end-user vault data was accessed. Easy to say when it's not your credentials, your entire digital life, being pawned off for 93 minutes of access. Their fix? Downgrade to 2026. 3.0. Rotate every secret you can think of. Like that's a quick weekend chore for thousands of developers worldwide. This isn't some outlier. In the same 2 weeks, Versal lost npm and GitHub tokens. Anthropic's Mythos got compromised through contractor credentials. OpenAI model names leaked. 4 major tech players, all hit in 2 weeks. All involving stolen credentials. Your attack surface isn't just your machine anymore. It's your entire developer toolchain. You switched from LastPass back in 22, right? Hailed Bitwarden as the open source, self-hostable, zero-knowledge solution. The smart choice for those who get security. Now, the password manager you trusted to guard your secrets was used to rifle through the critical, mundane secrets of its most technical users. The sheer irony? It sucks. They sell you security, then use your trust as an entry point. Your caution, your research, your migration to the Sapphire option, all meaningless when the supply chain itself is compromised.